Hi guys, my name is John Hall. I'm the warehouse manager for Impact Canopies. Recently we had some requests for a setup video on the MegaX 13x20 frame. A little bit of confusion out there right now, so the goal of this video is to clear some of that up. So I'm going to go through this step by step, very slow. The first thing that you're going to need is 3 people. The safest way to do this is with 3 people, and I'll get into why here. Next step is going to be, if you take a look down here at the wheels, you'll see that all 4 wheels have this locking mechanism. So we're kind of on a slant right now, so we don't want this thing rolling away from us. So we have these locked. But your first step is to make sure that your wheels are unlocked. Before you do that, you want to make sure that you have one person on the opposite side of the canopy from you. Now, the 2 individuals that are on each side of the canopy should be on the 13-foot side of the canopy, the short side. We'll get into why here soon. So we'll unlock the wheels. You can do that with your feet or with your hands. Sometimes they're a little bit more difficult. You might have to pull them a little bit hard, but for the most part, they're pretty easy to function with. The next step is going to be grabbing on, we call this the scissor, where the truss bar scissor. So we'll grab into the center portion here, one person on this side, one person on the other side, and we're gonna walk this back and lift up at the same time. Once we get back far enough, the third individual that's helping with the setup will walk underneath the canopy, and he's going to help elevate the peak poles. So that looks like this. 3, 2, 1. At this point, you want to keep pressure up on the truss bars so that the canopy does not close, but you want to walk to the side and lock in. There's a hole here. We've got a lock here, a pull ring lock, and we can push this into position. You got to finesse it a little bit. Okay, so that's into place. Your next step is to lock that wheel. You want to lock that same wheel so this thing doesn't come crawling in. You're going to walk to the opposite side, and you're going to do the same exact thing on this side. You're going to lock that wheel.
And the same thing on opposite.
The individual on the opposite side of the canopy is doing the exact same things you're doing. So if I'm on the left side, he's on the left side. If I'm on the right side, he's on the right side. After that, double check, make sure nothing came undone. It shouldn't. And then the 2 individuals will come in and elevate the peak poles. Now, if you come around to this side, you can see at the top, there is a stop marker. Okay, it's a little sticker, it's a red sticker, says stop. Once you see that sticker, you want to drop it down until you can't see that sticker anymore, and that's where it should stay. Okay? And that's how you'd open a MegaX 13x20 canopy.